Vanessa, you've shown me what love really is. Not the kind you see in movies or read in stories, but the kind that's real. Your jokes, the way you can make me laugh even when I can't, that's something special. You bring joy into the little things. You remind me that life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful, and love doesn't have to be easy to be worth it. You are my best friend, my answered prayer, my peace, and my home. You are the reason I believe love is real and is something holy.
Caton, I may not be able to say that I've loved you since we first met. I was never one to believe in fairy tales or happily ever after until I met you. You taught me what it felt like to be loved unconditionally, to be loved so deeply that the idea of being without you wouldn't be right. I am so excited to continue to see the next accomplishments in your life and to see you become the amazing father you will become to our kids one day. I love you, Caton Joseph Espinold.
Do you take Vanessa to be your wedded wife, to live together in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep yourself only for her, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
And Vanessa, do you take Caton to be your wedded husband, to live together in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keeping yourself only for him, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
By the authority granted to me as a minister of Jesus Christ, I pronounce that you are husband and wife together in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Those whom God hath joined together, let no man put asunder. Caton, you may kiss your bride.
Then Vanessa came into his life, and they have been together ever since. This marriage is a result of both of them working as a team to establish a home. If it sounds like I'm proud of him, I have watched him grow into the man he is today.
Being that Caton is more my little brother than a friend, I'm so grateful that he has such a kind, sweet, and caring woman to walk through his life with. I'm so thankful to be here today celebrating such a beautiful wedding, and I'm so excited to be able to see the lifetime of memories ahead of the both of you.
I just want to say that I'm very proud of the woman you've become. I'm so happy that you found the man for you. I truly believe CJ only brings out the best in you and you bring out the best in him. CJ, thank you for being Vanessa's person. I'm so happy to have you a part of our family. And CJ, I hope you have as much fun growing old with her as I did growing up with her.
CJ from many years ago said, I want to work where I was born. And he today works where he was born. He has met a very nice young lady and he has decided to make her his bride for this next chapter of his life. So I am super excited to see what happens next.
CJ, welcome to our family. We love you so much, and I know you're gonna take good care of my daughter, that you're gonna love her and respect her the way she deserves. I love you guys, los amo, que Dios me los bendiga y bendiga este hermoso hogar.
Y le deseo muchas bendiciones y que Dios me los bendiga hoy y siempre. Y un hijo más de nosotros, because now, just like my son, count on my family, and God bless, salud, and let's and let's party.